Hi everyone and welcome you all. So previously we have learned how to make patterns and I have given you a question which was to draw a pattern with the help of a for loop or a while loop which looks like this. We may increase the number of rows and columns. So you don't have to stick to this. You may be asked to increase the number of rows and columns. So how we are going to achieve this? Now you may be wondering it contains three asterisks. Okay, so this part I have told you how to do it, and this is almost similar to this task. Okay, so how to do this? Okay, so it's pretty simple. We have used a for 0 to r. Let's execute this piece of a code so that we can check it out whether it works for. Okay, it is executing something else. So let's have shift plus F10. Now you can see my current file is executed. This gives me somewhat this output, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase this and you can check it out what it gives. So this gives me inverted triangle. Now I want to first of all invert it and then we will see. So 0 to r and again let's say 0 to I. Okay, this will be perfectly fine, and let's check it out. This will simply give me the inverted triangle. Okay, now let us get rid of this line so that it gives me the simple appearance of the triangle. Okay, you can increase the number of size. Here we go, and you can see. So basically this one and this one is almost identical. Now how we can make this gap? Okay, so what I'm going to do, you can see this gap. Okay, in place of this, if I specify a hash, okay, then you can see what happens. And if I specify hash and let's say delete these four asterisks, this is perfectly fine, and you can check it out, it is straight, right? And let us fill this with the hashes. So 1 2 3 and 1 2. Let's delete these, and this is the, and finally for this also. Okay, let's fill it. One more we require. Okay, let's do like this so that it looks identical, and see. Okay, so this is what I want to do it. Okay, now you can see we have a triangle. Now what I'm going to do to, I am going to fill this with another asterisk. So this time I will be using a hash sign, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to have some tricks. Okay, so if I see 1 2 delete and delete. Okay, so you can see, okay, I have written in multiple lines. Okay, hash, one more hash is required, sorry, dollar sign is required. Now you can see we have a pattern. Okay, so it is a combination of actually four patterns rather than one. Now you have to figure it out how it can be made. This is the ability of the brain to do it. Okay, so put your brain into work, and you will later or sooner you will find the solution. Okay, so if I somehow after executing this asterisk should print the four hashes or actually five hashes, then this part of the program can be completed. And for the line 2, if I try to print four hashes, this line will be complete. Similarly, I'm going to increase the number of asterisks and decrease the number of hashes, and my task will be completed. So this was the program which we have modified, right? So what I'm going to do before changing the line, I'm going to have another for loop. Let's say for x in range. Now from 0 to, you can say that from R2 you can say to I minus 1, you can check it out. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to specify simply minus 1 and see a result for now. So now let us print this one and with a hash. Okay, let's see whether we are successful in creating this part of the program or not. Okay, now let us execute this. This is happening, but I missed and is equals to simply a blank. Okay, now you can check it out. So I am pretty uh, almost successful in doing it. So up till here I'm able to do it. Now for this hash, I think this for loop should be repeated and simply change this symbol, right? So now I have pressed shift tab so that to unindent the lines. Okay, so let's write a hash. Now you can see my second part of the triangle is also created. Now again, if I try to execute this part, this will give me the complete triangle. So again, copy this one and paste it here, and with little bit fixes we can simply create the asterisk or pattern. And if I replace this with the space and this one with the space, now you can check it out. I'm able to get this one. Okay, that's fine, but still there is a problem. You can see I have a complete line. Okay, and here the line is missing. Now what we need to do, or how we are going to fix this? Okay, now this is the task for the day. You have to do it and come with the solution, right? I'm not going to tell you how we can do it. It is for you, and definitely in the half yearly you will encounter this example. Okay, so now if you want to score this marks, you have to achieve the solution. Okay, that's all for the day. Hope you have enjoyed making patterns. So bye bye and see you.